How to turn on SSL certificate on Wix website. If you would like to turn on your SSL certificate on Wix website, all you have to do is first of all open your Wix website and make sure that you log into your dashboard, right? Once you're logged in inside your site's dashboard, on the left hand side you will see many different options, but the one you have to go to is the one that says settings. So at the bottom left corner you'll find the option called settings. Of course you have to go there. Under settings, just look for the option called domains right here. And when you go to domains, you must have already connected a domain in this case. And if you have connected a domain, you'll find the option to enable the SSL certificate for that domain. Now, if you have not connected it, it will ask you to connect a domain like in my case. But if in your case, you've already connected a domain, then from there on, you'll find the option to go ahead and then basically connect or enable your SSL certification. This way you can turn on SSL certificate on Wix website. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.